Good morning from icy Strait Point, Alaska. This is what we woke up to. We were already docked. Gorgeous view. Of course, we're docked on the other side of the ship, so we get this one. Fantastic view. We pretty much slept really good after everything we did yesterday. The whale watch, and then hiking to Mendenhall Glacier and Nugget Falls, and going through town and fighting through the rain. This is just gorgeous. I think today we're going to do some hiking, and then we have an excursion. I think we're going to check out like an old cannery, stuff like that. So we are in for some exciting times today. See you later.
No, did we hit the rocks or something? Something wrong happened? Oh, people are hopping off the ship.
Yeah, man.
Everybody is out here reading, okay?
Let's just watch out.
Well, I thought the ship was.
No, I didn't. Too long.
I don't want to go on this. It looks like we can't though, guys. It looks closed. Do you see anyone else on it?
Yeah, no.
Look at this though. Disney Skyliner scaled down
Yeah, this
in Alaska.
Mom, look at that.
Looks so fun, doesn't it, buddy?
I don't think you can fall off. Oh, it's
Oh, it doesn't have dun 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 dun.
Steep your buds.
There's our ship. Radiance of the seas. Pretty cool.
What? Oh yeah, that one. Oh yeah. Somebody do this big rock.
He's really big.
Boil. Can go down here.
That's pretty, isn't it, buddy?
A bucket of salmon heads.
That's gross.
What does this thing do?
There's a sign.
Getting some donuts.
Do you see it, Hunter?
Why'd you spit on me?
Down all the way to this corner, we want to cut around the collar, which is right here where all the bones are, and then we'll just peel the fillet off. We cut. So you'll see we have the whole fillet there. We shaped it out, the whole thing came off, nice and easy. This salmon right here can be flipped.
Oh wow.
Flipping. So if you look at this one, see how it's turning white on the bottom and it's almost halfway up? That means that this is ready to flip. So this halibut right here can be flipped. This halibut can be flipped.
What's mine?
This salmon can be flipped. See how it's white about a third of the way up?
get my halibut flipped.
You can flip the halibut. Yeah.
Yeah.
Quick, flip this.
Too hot for that.
This halibut.
Halibut.
So our salmon and halibut are all sushi grade, which means they're frozen to a specific temperature. So you can eat the salmon at medium rare, medium well, however you like your salmon. Same thing with the halibut. I just prefer the texture of cooked halibut over the texture of not cooked
Mine was
halibut.
in the corner. In the corner.
This halibut
I
is
had to
done.
get small. Or look at mine. Look at mine.
Here's a
This one.
Mine's got 6.
just got back from our wilderness kitchen excursion. It's a lot of fun. Taught you how to prepare salmon a few different ways, and you cooked your own halibut and salmon fillets. It was really good. Kind of the history of the area and kind of the inner workings of it all, and it's definitely something we all really enjoyed doing. And the weather has cleared up, and it's just absolutely gorgeous. It's hard to beat these views. It's like perfect weather. Very lucky. And we are about to set sail to Sitka, I believe. Man, what a fun stop today. It will be hard to get over this view.